It takes 2 minutes to cook a pizza in the Gozney Roccbox. Stick around and watch the video. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. It's a Pizza Guy John, and today's video I'm going to show you guys how fast it is you can make a pizza in the Gozney Roccbox. I've had it preheating now for roughly around 35 to 40 minutes, which is perfect time. The Roccbox heats up pretty quickly, being that it is a small oven. So like I said, I'm gonna make a pizza. I'm gonna show you how fast you could cook a pizza in the Gozney Roccbox. I got my timer ready. Let's go and take a look at the oven. Now, like I said, been preheating for 35 to 45 minutes or so. Right in the center, we're looking at about 830. On the outsides, we're looking close to 800. Right at the very front, about 845. So the oven is ready to go. So the timer is outside. Again, I have not pressed the timer. And basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead, build my pizza. I'm just gonna do a simple cheese pizza. I got my sauce here and I got my cheese. This is some leftover dough that I have. Of course, you can see it is ready to go. So let's get some semolina on this one right here. And again, this is a 24-hour dough recipe. I do have some recipes on my channel, so if you're interested in learning how to make some dough, definitely check those out as well. So let's go ahead and let's get that flopped in here. And this dough is ready to go. Like I said, it's been sitting out now for quite some time. So let's place this back here. And let's go ahead and just put that there. I'm gonna get this round. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's get this stretched out. And again, it's not how fast I can build the pizza, but again, how fast you could cook a pizza in the Gozney Roccbox. So let's go ahead and let's get this. And if you made it this far, like, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't checked out my other videos, do so as well on my channel. And we'll be doing some more videos that aren't pizza related, so if you're interested in that, definitely check that out as well. And this is a good 260 gram dough ball, so I'm just gonna go ahead, just get a little stretch of it here. We'll get that down. Okay, like I said, this is just a cheese pizza. Get some sauce down. All right, and I'm gonna do about a handful of cheese. Fill a couple of spots here. And we're just gonna go ahead, make sure we have enough semolina. And get this to the size of our pill. All right. And again, we're gonna go straight into the Roccbox. I'm not going to hit the timer just yet, but I will go ahead and hold it here in my hand. And so it is on, as you can see. Let's go ahead and let's get it in the oven. And I'll go ahead and hit the timer now. And again, I will go ahead and leave this right here. And we're just gonna watch the pizza. Again, I'm not gonna mess with the timer or move it. This is again a real time cook to see how fast this pizza will cook in the Gozney Roccbox. And so again, we can see everything is lifting all the way around. All the crust is looking good. We're about 40 seconds in now. At this point, I will go ahead and let's go ahead, spin the pizza around. And again, I'm not putting the timer down, but you will see that it's still here. And let's spin it all the way around. Of course, the timer is still going. We're about a minute in now. And again, crust is looking nice. All right, so we're looking about 20 seconds in. Let's go ahead and we'll spin it around. Again, putting the timer down, getting it here. It's still going. And now, and we'll go ahead and do one last spin. Timer down. Crust is feeling nice. Going down in there. And just like that, we are looking at about 2 minutes for a cook of a pizza in the Gozney Roccbox. Let's take a look at this bottom. Nice even cook all the way around. Pizza is feeling nice. I'm gonna go ahead and get this inside and then we'll finish off the video. 2 minute cook in the Gozney Roccbox. Here is the pizza that we cooked. As you can see, it is cooked all the way around. Let's listen to that crust. Nice and airy. Let's go ahead and take a look at this bottom of this pizza. As you can see, it's nice and colored all the way around, even cook. Let's get a cut into this pizza because everyone always wants to know. It's a nice airy crust, nice crispiness. And I'm just gonna get this little small piece right here. Again, nice crust. Nothing beats a 2 minute cooked pizza. Very good. Again, you can feel good about making this pizza for yourself. You got hungry people waiting for pizza. Cooking a fast pizza, definitely guaranteed to be the talk of the party. So again, if this is something you like, comment, subscribe. Check out my other videos. Check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John, and we'll talk there.